I have so many videos, it's hard for someone to find which video um, that's out there. Um, but yeah, I cannot. It's impossible for me to do such a big job like this and take on another big project. Um, it wouldn't fit in my schedule, and it would just burn me out and make me all tired and drowsy and the whole 9 yards. So a job like this, I just do you know some small jobs, when when I get a call. I try not to do nothing too big because, like I said, it takes up a lot of my time, and it's just too much. So normally I do the one big job like this, and I just relax myself, right? Um, if I had other workers, then probably yeah. But um, there's a rule on that. So in Canada or Ontario, you're only allowed one apprentice per journeyman. So, but yeah, it's the same home, and so yeah, definitely. And I believe yeah. So like I said, I can't. I wanted to power up these lights here. This is the one side that needs to power up, but because these are towels and these are expensive, as you can see, I don't want to try to even trouble one of them. I won't even be able to move it, so I'm not going to even bother to try to power up this side, because I can't get to the switch anyways. So it is what it is. So again, it's so yeah. So like I said, a movement you need to do about an hour live, and um, you're fine, But yeah, again, yes, Israel Scott. Thanks again for checking into the live. It was it was nice to have you guys, Israel Scott, show up to the support the channel. So yeah, this I'm gonna cut the live now, as I have to go down into the basement to power up the lights in the gym area. Um, so I kind of don't want to leave unless I get some type of lighting power up. Um, that way my day is not wasted. A lot of times I come to do one thing, and I have to divert myself from doing something else to doing something else, and it's something that happened today. So yeah, I'd like to thank